the channel, or welcome if you are new. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like what you see, and click that bell to get notifications from me. If you've been with me for a while, then you know that I am completely obsessed with fall. I love fall, my absolute favorite. So that makes me extra excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing my first fall look of this season, but I'm also going to be trying out the E.L.F. bite-size palette. Look at what a cutie it is. It is 4 shades. It is super cute. It is so cute and small, but it's not so small that you say that, oh, you're not getting your money's worth. You are definitely getting your money's worth. It's only $3. You get 4 shadows, and even though I haven't tried out these palettes before, I have seen other people try it out and they look like they work well. And I mean, it's E.L.F. I love E.L.F. It's a good brand. So we're going to be trying it out. So this bite-sized eyeshadow palette is the one that's called Hot Jalapeno. It looks just like this. We have a gold shimmer, a light green shimmer, a green matte. This green is like the most perfect autumn color. And then we have a darker green. It looks kind of bluish on camera for some reason, but it's a dark, like army green. So if you are interested in seeing what look I come up with for fall using just this palette, then please keep on watching. So I'm taking my E.L.F. blending brush and I'm going to be picking up this green right here, the third one. And this one I'm going to go ahead and apply it into my crease. Once I have the color that I want, I'm going to wipe it off, and then using that brush to buff out the outer edges. We don't want any harsh lines. This green is gorgeous. This is my go-to green for fall, any day, anytime, in anything, in makeup and clothes, everything. It's my type of green. Next, I'll be going in with the second shade. It's the green shimmer, and first I'm going to take this with my finger, and it looks just like this. Let me go ahead and swipe this onto my eyelid. How does that look? Oh, that's one swipe, guys, with my finger. Gorgeous. So let me just kind of tap a little bit more, tap it in place. And you guys know I struggle to get into my inner part of my eye because of my nails. So to really get in there, I'm going to take just a flat brush. This is from the Anastasia. So like this end, it's not really a flat brush. It's like a packer shader brush. So it's perfect for this. So I'm going to get right in here, you see? So it works well. It worked well with my finger, and it's working well with this brush also. So I'm just going to place it carefully on my lid, like making a cut crease, but without that extra step of the concealer. That is really, really pretty. I like that green. I'm liking these greens. I like that palette. And then next, I'll be going in with the darkest green shade right here, the fourth one. Picking that up with the E.L.F. eye crease brush. And this I'm going to be placing right here in between that shimmer and the matte, and to deepen up the shade. So it's going to help blend those colors and also to like give the eye dimension. Next, I'll be going in with the E.L.F. smudger brush, and I'm going back in with the first green we have, that third one. And I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line and then buff it out. Clean brush. And then finally, for inner corner, I'm going to be using the gold shade, and I'll be going in with the Morphe JS13. Now, I don't know if that's going to be too dark for my inner corner. We're just going to have to see. If it ends up being too dark, I'll just go on top of it with a lighter gold shade highlighter. So we'll see. Let me kind of make sure we have that off. Okay, not too bad. Okay, and I'll put less than what I usually do because I love my inner corner to be like bam, but I'll apply a little bit less than what, because I usually go like really all out. Guys, yeah, I barely picked up anything with this, and I did tap it off, and that is really good pigmentation in my opinion. I do want to brighten it up just a tiny bit, so I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel, this gold highlight shade. Just a little brightness right there, you see? But you can still see that gold from the E.L.F palette. And that same gold highlight that I used just right now, applying that to my cheekbones and Cupid's bow. Let's go ahead and finish the eyes. And then finally, lips. I know it is a very bold eye look, and you can definitely top it off with a nude lip, a gloss even. But since it's my first fall look of the season, I'm going to go all out because why not? My lips have been already moisturized for a while finishing my makeup. And then for lips, this is one of my all-time favorite fall lippies. It is the NYX Lip Lingerie, and this one is in Beauty Mark. Guys, if you don't have this, I mean, you need it because I'm pretty sure you'll love it just like as much as I do. This video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this look, and let me know, would you pair it with a dark lip like I did, or would you keep it nude or glossy? If you haven't tried these E.L.F bite-sized palettes, I highly recommend them. I mean, at least this one for sure. I liked how all of them worked. All of them are super pigmented, and these greens are really, really beautiful. I think it's perfect for the season. So I'm excited to keep playing around with it. I'll see what other looks I come up with for the season using this one. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!